It is common for hair to become dry and brittle in the winter months due to low humidity and dry air. This can make your hair feel weaker and more prone to breakage. Cold weather can also cause the hair shaft to contract, leading to tangles and knots. Here are a few tips for keeping your hair healthy in the winter. Avoid washing your hair too frequently. Washing your hair too often can strip it of its natural oils, which can lead to dryness and breakage. Instead, try using a dry shampoo to extend the time between washes. Use a moisturizing hair mask or leave-in conditioner. These products can help add moisture back into your hair, which is especially important in the dry winter air. Protect your hair from the cold. Wear a hat or scarf to cover your hair when you go outside in cold weather. This can help prevent your hair from getting dry and brittle. Avoid using heat styling tools. If you do use heat styling tools, make sure to use a heat protectant spray to help prevent damage. Use a satin or silk pillowcase. These materials are less abrasive than cotton and can help reduce tangles and breakage while you sleep. Get regular trims. Trimming the ends of your hair can help get rid of split ends and keep your hair looking healthy. Drink plenty of water and eat a healthy diet. Proper hydration and nutrition are important for maintaining healthy hair.